are two clips from the original episode called 10 Places You Can Find Your Ancestors in Photos. Okay, this one is immigration and passport, immigration applications and passports. These are great resources to find your family in photographs. And this particular one is a gentleman who is in his passport application, as you can see here. Also, I have another example here. This is a beautiful photograph of this woman in her passport. You can even see the emblem in the lower corner there where her passport was embossed. So, hey, we're going to get back to that video here in just a moment, but I want to let you know that Genealogy TV has a website, a newsletter, and a Facebook page. Links for all of that are in the show notes below. All right, let's get back to it. All right, we made it to number 10. Number 10 is my favorite. I saved the best for last, and that is yearbooks. Now, yearbooks are becoming more popular all the time online with Ancestry and MyHeritage. This particular one is over at MyHeritage. I happened to come across this, which I thought was hilarious, but it's kind of cute. And well, that's at MyHeritage. And now I know there's a lot of collections opening up on Ancestry.com because I have been getting the press about it. But here's a handsome fellow that we found just as an example of a portrait that you can find in the yearbooks. What I did was I went up to the search card catalog and I keyword yearbook, and then you can drill it down by place. You can also search by name, which might be an opportunity. I also, in the yearbook collection, came across some sailors from the U.S. Navy support books. And this group of guys, I love these glasses. Look at these nerdy glasses. So that is your 10 places to find portraits of your ancestors. I hope you enjoyed that. If you like that, if you found anything about that helpful, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, I hope you would consider subscribing. It really helps me out a lot and doesn't cost you a thing.